me the story of the three little pigs.
Okay. Once upon a time, there was three little pigs. They went out into the world.
Speak a little louder. Then what happened?
The big bad wolf said, little pig, let me in. No, then I'll poof, and I'll poof, then I'll puff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow everything.
Good. Then what happened?
He poured the oven.
What happened next?
Another little pig was building a house made out of twigs. And then the big bad wolf came along and said, little pig, little pig, little pig, little pig, let me in.
And the little pig said,
No, piggy, it's not my turn.
and the wolf said,
And I'll puff, and I'll puff, and I'll puff, and blow everything.
good. Then what happened? Don't pick your nose.
So he pulled everything.
Then what happened? What happened to the next pig? Stop picking your nose.
Oh, okay. And then another little pig was building a brick house. And then the big bad wolf came along and said, little pig, let me in.
And the pig said,
Not my dears, oh my Jenny Jen. Then I'll puff and I'll puff and I'll blow you in.
and then what happened?
And he blew the oven. I want to take a picture.